Hello and welcome back for our final segment of Cox Community Connection. Well, we saved the best for last, is now we're going to talk about a little bit of Pensacola's heritage and the celebration of that heritage for about 10 days or 2 weeks in the month of June. And joining me to talk about that is Hillary Turner. She's the Director of Marketing for Fiesta Five Flags. Hillary, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you for having us.
Absolutely. Yeah. So let's talk a little bit about this celebration of the heritage. Tell me a little bit about Fiesta, kind of the mission and what this is all about.
Fiesta Five Flags is an annual celebration of the founding of Pensacola. And in 1559, Don Tristan de Luna established Pensacola as actually the oldest European settlement. And it's really just a celebration of not only our heritage, but it also promotes tourism throughout our community.
Absolutely, a lot of great events. I mean, not just with this, but some of the tourism things that you guys do with crawfish, and which just had last month, and of course Seafood Festival coming up in September. So a lot of great events, and this is just one other aspect, like you said, to celebrate that heritage and Don Tristan de Luna. And you kick it all off, these, whatever it is, 10 days, 2 week celebration with Fiesta Days, right?
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about that event and how people can get involved with that.
Yes. So we kick off the 65th annual Fiesta Five Flags with the Emmanuel Shepherd and Condon Fiesta Day celebration. And it takes place Thursday, May 29th at 7 p.m. in historic Seville Square, which I think most people are familiar with.
Absolutely.
And part of Fiesta is also celebrating the five flags that have flown over the city throughout its since its establishment. And that includes the British, French, Spanish, Confederate, and American flag. So this event really takes 5 of the rooms throughout Seville, and they're decorated to really honor each flag. And so there's going to be great food, great entertainment, gorgeous decorations that coincide with each flag. And you really don't want to miss what happens at 7:15, and that is the surrender of the city, which local dignitaries, including the mayor, the fire chief, the Escambia County Sheriff, and the Pensacola Naval Air Commanding Officer, all come in and literally surrender the city to De Luna and his queen, and throughout the Fiesta season, or the 10-day celebration.
Absolutely. So now the city belongs to De Luna.
Yes, exactly.
Once again, and so the festival starts, the festivities start, and I know one of these big festivities obviously is the landing party out at Pensacola Beach, a reenactment of De Luna's landing. Tell me a little bit about kind of how that day starts with the parade across the bay and then the party out at the beach.
Yes, there's actually a prayer service that morning at Old Christ Church, and from there everyone goes to the Pensacola Yacht Club, and they literally parade over in boats with gorgeous flags. Absolutely. It's just a beautiful scene going across the bay. And it ends at the Quietwater Boardwalk on Pensacola Beach, and it's a light-hearted parody of what might have taken place when De Luna landed on Pensacola Beach. And you get a chance to meet the Myoki Indians, and De Luna and his court and the Myoki Indians exchange gifts, and it's just a lot of fun. There's great dancing by children and adults alike, and it's free to the public.
It's free to the public, and you mentioned children and adults. It's a great family atmosphere for people to come out. For the kids, of course, enjoy the water and the beach and look at the beautiful boats, but it is great fun for them, and again, free to the public. So,
right.
But would you encourage people to get out there early? Approximately what time would De Luna be making landfall? Around
3 o'clock that afternoon. So get up that morning, put your bathing suit on, enjoy Pensacola Beach, maybe have some lunch on the boardwalk, and then meander over to the Quietwater Boardwalk.
Absolutely, make a day out of it.
Yeah, exactly.
And so that's not the only parade, though. The boat parade's not the only parade for Fiesta. You have another one as well. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yes, this is kind of like the culmination of Fiesta, really and truly, and that is the Penn Air Federal Credit Union Fiesta Day Parade. And it really highlights downtown Pensacola, which has really blossomed over the last several years, I would say. So it takes place throughout Palafox Street, and you can still enter to be in the parade if you'd like, but it is free to all spectators. And I believe in the years past, there's been at least 10,000 or so spectators. Plenty of beads, plenty of gifts being thrown, and of course De Luna and his court will make an appearance.
Yeah, everybody loves a great parade, and that is one of the highlights of the event. Tell me a little bit, you mentioned people can still register to be in the parade, and if somebody's interested in the Fiesta Days or any other information about these events, do you have a website, Facebook page, anywhere people can go to take
Definitely. Visit our website, www.fiestaoffiveflags.org. And there's an event portion where you can scroll over and see every event coming up, or visit our Facebook page, which is facebook.com/Fiesta of Five Flags.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Hillary, thank you so much for
Thank you for
joining us
having
today. I
us.
really
We're
appreciate it, and good luck with your event. I know it's always a lot of fun. The Crawfish Festival was great, and of course Fiesta is always fun, and then seafood will be around the corner, so we'll be talking to you again soon as we get closer to September. So thank you
Sounds
so
great.
much for being here today.
Thank you.
And thank you for joining us for this month's Cox Community Connection. Stay with us next month as we talk about more events in Okaloosa and Escambia counties.
Thanks for watching the Cox Community Connection. Join us next month when we highlight other organizations, events, and people from around our local community.